was gonna grab it, but I thought, fuck.
We've just had a right palaver, guys. There was a flying ant in the car, and then it's just literally crawled up Ashley's neck. And now he's a bit like that.
It's a shame we literally didn't.
We didn't press start yet.
That's, oh, I'm gonna have to change this.
Alright. Woo!
Well in the lines, so is it. She worries too much.
We're going for a Starbucks, and then, you know what I'm going to say. Guess where we're going, guys? Guess where we're going, guys? Guess where we're going?
Ikea.
Ikea.
But we're actually making progress this time, like, we're actually making a difference to our house. Like,
we're actually doing bits. We're not just going to walk around. We're actually going to buy something.
Chest of drawers, bedside tables,
mirrors,
2 mirrors,
and a lampshade potentially.
Yeah, we've put this off and put this off and put this off.
Yeah.
To be honest, I don't really know why, but it's just something else. It's money, isn't it?
Am I paying for this or?
Money bags. Money bags.
That's a yes then. Right then.
What are you having? Chai tea latte.
Ice matcha.
Starbucks, I can get that for you.
Put that there.
Feel the goods. That's a really strong matcha. Look at the colour. That looks strong, not gonna lie. Not good. My kind of drink, but you like yours quite weak, don't you?
No, it's alright.
Also,
There's a difference between strong cold coffee and strong hot coffee. There is a difference. May I just point that out to you?
last time I got this, Ash got something he didn't like, so I had one mouthful and he ended up having it. Jesus Christ! Come on then.
I know.
It doesn't line up, the mirrors, so it's like I can see you even though I can't see myself. We're looking at this bed, even though we have a bed and we like our bed. Ash just likes the curved headboard.
Bed and a mattress, 1,279.
That's not actually too bad.
It's not, but
We don't need it. That's not what we come for. Our kitchen flooring. Croc Club.
right. What do you mean, 1 and 2?
So you need to make sure you've got number 1 and number 2 at the boxes.
Number 1.
What a banger.
Right, stop messing about.
Stiff as anything.
No, this is not a time for the camera. We've got the right thing. Stop. Trying to be serious here. So that we've got the right thing.
Yeah.
We've got the right thing.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So what's next?
Trolley.
What's next? Take from the top.
club. Heavy. I'm so far forward because everything's in the back. And when do you get the shits if you eat all them chewing gum?
I want some more meatballs.
Come get some.
You going for me?
No.
We're going together?
If you want to go in and get some meatballs, I'll come in with you. I ain't going in by myself.
Oh shit, should I plug my phone in to navigate? Home!
Current situation. Say goodbye to that horrible desk. Current situation. Obviously we had the TV desk there. It makes the room look so much bigger. So we're going to dismantle this. This was from our dining room table. And we've pushed the bed over slightly to allow room for the bedside tables. You can hear Ashley downstairs, and this is the current situation in our hallway. Be so glad to get rid of this thing. And then the mirror for the bathroom. But the house currently looks like a bomb's gone off, but YOLO. Oh God. So that's gonna go under there, hopefully. It is hot.
Six AM on a Monday morning.
You gonna come and join me?
Yeah. Taking shape now, isn't it?
Yeah. Already.
And it's like the most perfect fit, isn't
I actually
it?
think, like, not that it matters, but this is actually going to take a while. There's a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot to sort of do to it.
A lot. A lot.
But it's fine, isn't it?
It's fine. If it takes all day, it takes all day.
Yeah.
Little break.
I've just been messaged to go on Xbox, and guess what? Busy.
Top, 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 top. Top, 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 top.
Top, 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 top.
There we go. Right, what's next?
Next is these big screws.
Are you sure they're the big ones?
Yeah.
How do you know?
The big ones. It's not the little ones. Powers break. Cheers.
Oh yeah.
Cheers.
Worked hard, didn't ya?
Yeah.
Needed that.
Yeah. So far, perfect fit.
Top quality. 3,
Lovely.
4, 5, 6. Up. Up.
One drawer's done. I'm just sat here watching. Ashley loves it.
Yes. I'm bored.
You bored?
Yeah.
Not long now. Just got another 4 drawers to go.
And then 2 bedside tables.
With 6 drawers. That way.
Mm-hmm.
Probably best leave this part to you or else I'll split the wood, won't I? Moment of truth.
Ain't gonna fit, is it?
I have a feeling like it's not. And I don't know why, because the design... Oh!
How weird is it that we accidentally did them 2 first, and we accidentally did them 2 first, and now we well, obviously they're the only 2 left.
Mental.
But is the fact that we did it in pairs, we've actually got it right.
Looks so good. I'm proud of you.
Do you like it?
Yeah? You don't look like you do.
It's alright. It'll do.
What don't you like about it?
Nah, it'll do.
Give me 5 reasons why you like it, 5 reasons why you... 5?
I love it. I love it.
Exactly. I knew you would say that to get out of doing that. I could easily name 5.
Next piece, please. Secretary.
I'm not a secretary yet. I'm your site manager.
Oh, I'm gunning this.
Next piece.
There's one.
Moment of truth again, and then it's all done. What is it?
It's done.
Yay! Well done. Little blanket basket, and then the remotes. Looks pretty.
It was made to fit, wasn't it?
Yeah, love it. Literally the current situation. Here he comes with the TV.
We make things so hard, don't we?
Literally.
Oh, look at that.
Perfect.
Don't know how you were saying it hangs over.
I thought it would.
Doesn't. Not at all. Not even close.
Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah. Current situation, we've taken the boxes to the tip. We've got to go do a food shop. We've got some parcels to return.
And then we're going to come back and do the
Bedside tables. Yeah. We just need, well, I say we, you just needed a bit of a break. And there was things that we still like our normal life that needs getting done, like going and doing a food shop.
Yeah.
So we thought it'd give us a perfect chance to go and have a break.
I wanted a drink as well, and you know when you want something, and like a tea or a coffee or water's just not got that quite hit. colour, by the way. I just fancy.
Ashley did some lines in the grass. We're just having our dinner. I did in just some. What is it called? Not battered egg. What's it called? Scrambled. Scrambled egg. So first one's almost done, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've done a good job. Well done. And then holes.
Holes on the outside. Yeah, that's right.
Done?
You've actually helped with these, which is good.
I'm putting it in the top one.
Yeah, you can do, yeah.
I'm not very good at these, even when they do it forward.
So if you tilt it down.
Yay!
Happy?
We did it! With a nice little lamp on and a reed diffuser, and then all of Ashley's shit everywhere. Yeah.
Yeah. Right, 2 more drawers to do.
And then one more, and then we're done.
Lovely.
One built. One more to go, and then we're almost done. I mean, they are quite big, but they're fine.
Nice.
Yeah, they're fine. So this is the finished chest of drawers that me and Ashley ended up building yesterday, and I also went to Dunham and got these lamps today. So these are really nice. Let me turn them on. How lovely do they look? So this lamp, believe it or not, was £8. That's all, £8. It's like a charcoal grey. Let me turn it off so you can see. And it goes perfectly with the, obviously having black. We didn't want really black on black. So we also got a black lampshade, just a plain black one. I thought it fit quite nicely. It ties in the rest of the black of the room with like the velour cushions and obviously the suede and like the black of the furniture and stuff. So I think that looks quite nice as well. It does the job. Nothing too majorly expensive. It's just nice. And I think it just finishes the room off really, really nicely. This is my favourite little corner now. So we got this basket from Matalan, wow, months and months and months and months ago. And these blankets are from Next. Obviously, the chest drawers that we bought and our TV that we've had for, well, Ashley's had for years, but it's still pretty much brand new. And then I also bought, we need another reed diffuser for here, plus because I'm not a really big fan of this kind of colour, but trying to find one that goes like a black one or a grey. And then I also bought this donut vase, and this was £6 from Primark, but I think it makes this corner of the room. We're also going to do some trunking for here and hide the wire, because that will always just permanently be plugged in. But I think this corner of the room now looks like really, really, really nice. And we're also planning on this wall here, either doing like a pond mirror or just like a long straight thin mirror there. And I want to put either like a vase or something here, or like some shelves or something somewhere, just to make this look quite quirky and nice as well. And then we also we bought 3 little picture frames to here, and we're either going to put like some abstracty pieces in there or maybe some pictures of us in there. But I think the room is starting to finally come together. We're gonna do, the plan is to do like half panelling up here in like a really dark charcoal grey, and then we don't know if we're gonna 3 or 4 pictures here. The room is finally starting to come together.